Hey people, after long I'm doing a video like this. So I just have to say that, I'm all dressed and ready. It is going to be 9 in the morning on a Friday, but I'm all set for my eye healing class. So that's what, for anyone interested to be a part of my class, they just need to, I give them a 1-to-1 session, and it's a 1 hour class, and I charge just 500 for it. I used to charge 200 at some point when it was a group class, but then I realized a group class isn't so effective. So it's better to charge 300 rupees more, but give a very quality session, which happens when it's a 1-to-1 session. So truly, people, it is. I always have to make a 1 minute video, right? See, I'm sitting at this place that is generally I do these classes from home itself, right? So I'm all set for the class. In another 8 minutes it will begin. Yeah, I was supposed to do my yoga and all, which I will do, but I might as well be ready for this class. It's important. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.